Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to my vlog. In today's episode, I have a very special treat because we are unboxing and test driving a new car. No, I did not buy a new car. What I did was I did a test drive of a car that one of my friends recommended to me. It's the GAC GS4, which is a compact crossover, which sells for a little over 1.1 million. So if you want to find out more about this really dope, cool car, keep on watching. Let's go. I'll start off by saying that this year, 2020, I've had the privilege and the honor of reviewing a couple of cars. I'm not a car reviewer per se, but I do love to share my experience with products that I get to try and, well, test out. And among all the cars that I've tested and reviewed this year, this is the one that I enjoyed the most. It really reminds me a lot of one of my favorite cars, which is a little bit more expensive, which is the Subaru XV or the Subaru Forester. The GAC GS4 has very clean and distinct body lines that gives it a boxy kind of vibe. And those lines combined with the overall structure gives it a very powerful overall look. It also has a really nice execution of the grille. One thing that I did notice though was that it had like Trump Chi written on the side. Apparently, that is the brand that is being used in China. Now, you're probably thinking, since it is kind of affordable compared to other cars in the segment, that maybe they skimped on the insides, but the interior just looks just as good. It has a very elegant modern finish. You have leather for the car seats. You have leather trimmings and accents for the steering wheel. It has a digital dashboard which allows for you to manage and drive the car pretty well. One useful thing that I ended up using was the tire pressure detector, because I got an alert that one of the tires was already running out of air. So it was easy to get notified. It's kind of like notifications for your phone, but this time it's for your car. And speaking of digital displays, it has a stunning Android touchscreen tablet that comes with it built in that allows for you to enjoy different kinds of media, be it videos, music, via Bluetooth, via cable, whatever it is, it's there. But more than the entertainment, what I really love about that particular screen is a 360-degree camera that allows for you to park and manage your car, well, maneuver your car so much more easier. I think they put like several cameras which you can find on the side mirrors and on the roof, which gives you that amazing 360 display. So if you have problems parking, this car is a godsend for you. Now, if you head on over to the back, it has really great leg room, and they even have like a dedicated AC unit with 2 USB ports for charging that can be found in between the seats. The seats are actually foldable as well, so if you need more space, but I really don't think that you will need anymore because the back of this thing is already cavernous as it is. We've covered how it looks like from the outside. We've covered what the interior looks like. Now let's talk about my favorite thing about it, which is the drive. Now, I've like what I mentioned earlier, I've tried several cars this year, and to be honest, if you read and watch those reviews, you would notice that I would always end up saying that the overall drive or handling is not as smooth because I'm really accustomed to driving a Subaru XV or a Subaru Forester. The GAC GS4 comes closest to my experience of driving a Subaru XV or Forester every day. It's very smooth, it's easy to maneuver. The suspension could use a little bit more help, but I mean, come on, for the price, that's already very competitive. One more thing, ang lakas ng hatak niya. This accelerates like a beast. And that's probably because of the turbocharged engine that produces 151 horsepower and 235 Nm of torque. In short, this is one of those cars that is fine for city driving, but is even more perfect if you wanna just, do a quick road trip out in the province and just clear your head, especially with the lockdown that we have, provided, of course, you already have your RFID sticker. Whoa. One thing that I got asked in the previous reviews was for me to talk about the safety features. Now, those are the things that you wouldn't want to ever use, but if ever you do need to use them, it's great that the car has it. So I did a quick bit of research. This one has a lot of safety features built in. It has front and dual side airbags, anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, an electronic stability program, electronic parking brake with auto hold. It's great if you're doing like, inclined and you forget to remove your feet for the brake. It kind of holds it there. That's a pretty nice feature. Hydraulic brake assist and a hill start hold control. Now, all of those features combined really made me appreciate the car a lot, and it's nice that I get to test drive and review a car to end the year that I really enjoyed test driving and, just had fun bringing around throughout the afternoon, throughout the day. Now, don't take my word for it. If you guys want to test drive one, you can easily book one. Just head on over to GAC Motor Pasig so that you can test drive the car for yourself and see how good it is. If you're not near Pasig, obviously, you can check out all the different GAC Motor dealerships so that you can book your test drive. By the way, shout out to GAC Motor Philippines for loaning me the car so that I can do this test drive and video for you. Okay, with that said, that wraps up this very quick car unboxing test drive. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure to hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check out GAC Motor Philippines on Facebook, and don't forget to book a test drive if ever you guys are curious about the car. I will also link down below to different other reviews of other car YouTubers that you might want to watch if in case you want to know more about this GAC GS4. This is Carlos signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.